In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho Analytics. We'll walk through bringing your data in, preparing it for analysis, building reports and dashboards, tapping into AI-powered insights, and sharing your work with the right people all in a clear, practical flow. Once you log in, start by creating a new workspace. Think of a workspace as a dedicated folder for a project or team, where all related data and reports live together. Click Import Data to bring in your information. You can choose spreadsheets from your computer or connect directly to popular apps like Zoho CRM or Google Sheets. Pick the source that contains the data you need. Then confirm the table or sheet you want to import. If you are using an integration, you may be prompted to authorize access, so Zoho Analytics can read your data. After the import, take a moment for data preparation. Review the columns to make sure names are clear and consistent. And verify that each data type is set correctly: dates as date, amounts as number, and labels as text. This step is crucial for accurate calculations and clean visuals. If something looks off, fix it now by renaming columns or adjusting formats so future reports behave the way you expect. Next, create your first report. Click Create. Then choose whether you want a chart, a pivot table, a summary, or a table view. Drag and drop fields onto the X and Y axes to build your visualization. Typically, put dimensions like dates, products, or regions on one axis and numeric measures like revenue or counts on the other. Explore chart types to find the best fit: bars and lines for trends, pies for proportions, and pivots for flexible crosstab analysis. Use the Filters tab to refine your results by excluding irrelevant records, narrowing to a time period, or focusing on a specific segment. Clear filters help you tell a sharper story. When you are ready to bring everything together, build a dashboard. Go to Create and select Dashboard. Drag and drop your existing reports into a single canvas. Then arrange and resize them to highlight what matters. Add widgets like KPI cards to surface headline metrics, such as total revenue or average deal size. And use charts to provide supporting context around those numbers. For quick answers, try Zia Insights. Click Ask Zia and type a plain English question like monthly sales by region. Zia will suggest relevant charts and summaries you can add to your workspace, speeding up exploration. Finally, share your reports and dashboards with stakeholders. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.